Now the concept about constructing the triangles, when they will give base, one angle and sum of the other two sides. Okay, another type is there, that time they will give one base, angle along with difference of two sides. Okay, so directly taking the exercise 6.2 first question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 cm and angle B equal to 75 degree, and also they given the sum of sides AB plus AC gives us 13 centimeters. Okay, so using this basic thing we have to construct the triangle. So here due to the space problem I am doing it horizontally, you do in your textbook vertically also. So first I will take BC as 7 centimeter. So I will take here B, C. From B it is 75 degree. Okay, here at the 75 degree mark it and join the B up to how much sum they given, 13 centimeter. So up to 13 centimeter mark it. Okay, so let's name it as D. Join that D to C. Okay, so the next step, divide this CD into two equal parts, or else draw a perpendicular bisector for the CD. Okay, so I will start from the C, taking more than half. I will make here arc outside. Okay, same arc I will do from the bottom side also. Now I will repeat the steps from D. Okay, so it's going out. Now I will join these 2 points. Okay, so while joining these 2 points, the angle, the perpendicular bisector will divide the B and D. So that point will be our A. Okay, so now join the AC. So our required triangle, that is ABC, is now we got it. Okay, for the cross check, what is this? AB plus AC. Okay, check it. AB, it is 5.3. AB is 5.3. Now check the AC. AC is 7.7. Okay, so if you add these two, it will be 10, carry 1, so 5 plus 8, it will be 13. What we need? 13 centimeter. Now we got. So our ABC is. Now the second type, in the second question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeter, angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, first base they given 8 centimeter. So again I will go with the horizontal. So AB, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, so BC, that is 8 centimeter, and angle B is 45 degree. So 45 degree. Okay, so now take a line of how much? AB minus AC is 3.5. So I'll take up to 3.5. Okay, just mark it and extend that line. Okay, because we will get it for the point A. So now join C to that 3.5 point. Okay, so let's name it as D. We need the point A now. For this we have to do the perpendicular bisector for the CD. So now repeat the more than half method for the C and D. Okay, make two arcs. Similarly take from the D also, make two arcs. Okay, now make the perpendicular bisector. Okay, but you have to extend this perpendicular bisector until it meets the BD extended line. Okay, so this is our point A. Now join that A to C. Okay, so now our triangle ABC is ready. Okay, you have to cross check now. What is AB? Check it. AB, how much getting here? 12.3. AB equal to 12.3. AB how much we got? 12.3. Next AC. Nine 8.8. So now we are getting here AC 8.8. So make the subtraction. Here you will get 13 minus 8, that will be 5. Carry 1, 12 minus 9, it will be 3.5. Okay, so our requirement is also AB minus AC equal to 3.5, and we are also getting 3.5. So for try yourself once again, you will get the exact answers. Now taking the fourth problem, third and fifth for your practice. First, second and fourth one. Out of these three, you may get any one for your essay exam. So try to concentrate on these three problems and make the construction once again you also and be perfect. Okay, let's start. Fourth problem. Construct a triangle XYZ where y equal to 30 degree, z equal to 90 degree, and also they given sum of all sides will be 11 centimeter. Okay, so first you draw the 11 centimeter line. Okay, so let's take it as A, B. Now from one side take the 30 degree, make the angle with one extended line. Similarly take another angle 90 degree from the other end. Okay. So after getting one side 30 degree and another side 90 degree, make now angle bisectors for those both angles. So take from the A, make the arc, okay, same arc, make the angle bisector, okay, join that. Now same thing repeat at the angle 90 degree, taking the angle bisector here, so extend the earlier angle bisector which will meet the angle bisector of 90 degree. So name it as x value. So this point will gives us x value. Now from the xb and xa, make the perpendicular bisector. Now take the more than half for the xb, now join them. So where that perpendicular will meets the AB, that will be our Z. Okay, join to X and Z. Now same thing you do from the AX also. AX also take more than half. Now that perpendicular bisector will touch the AB at one point. That point will be our Y. Okay, join YX. Okay, now we got X, Y, Z. Okay, how to measure this one X, Y, Z? Measure all the sides. Let's take X, Y first. X, Y, how much we are getting here? 4.6. X, Y equal to 4.6. Next Y, Z. Y, Z, how much we are getting here? Exactly 3.9. Y, Z equal to 3.9. And X, Z or Z, X, here we getting 2.4. 2.4. So we will get here 6, 10, 10, 19, 3, 3 plus 10. So approximately we will get here 11 centimeter. Okay, so 0.1 is minor. So you also do yourself and cross check the measurement of the triangle.